How to calculate your daily caloric needs. The secret formula to reach your ideal weight. Introduction. One of the biggest hurdles on the journey to weight loss or even weight maintenance is understanding how much we should actually be eating each day. Calories are at the core of this puzzle, yet calculating our precise caloric needs often feels like a complicated mystery. Many people find themselves stuck, either drastically underestimating their calorie needs, leading to extreme hunger and eventual binging, or overestimating them, which results in slow progress or even weight gain. This lack of clarity around daily caloric needs is a major pain point for those working hard to reach their health goals. The challenge is that everyone's body is unique, and a one-size-fits-all calorie recommendation simply doesn't work. Age, gender, weight, height, activity level, and individual metabolic rate all play significant roles in determining how many calories we need to consume. Following generalized advice can leave you feeling frustrated and misguided, especially if you're putting in the effort but not seeing results. Without an accurate understanding of your own caloric needs, it's nearly impossible to tailor your diet in a way that truly works for you. Fortunately, there's a solution. By learning how to calculate your daily caloric needs with precision, you can unlock a whole new level of control over your diet and fitness journey. This calculation isn't just about a single number on a page. It's a customized guide that helps you understand what your body truly requires. This knowledge can empower you to make better food choices, avoid overeating or undereating, and bring clarity to your weight management goals. In this detailed guide, we'll break down how to calculate your daily caloric needs step by step and reveal some interesting factors that can make this number truly unique to you. Step 1. Understanding basal metabolic rate (BMR). The first and most crucial step in calculating your daily caloric needs is understanding your basal metabolic rate (BMR). BMR is the amount of energy body needs to perform essential functions like breathing, circulating blood, and regulating body temperature, even if you were to do absolutely nothing but lie in bed all day. Essentially, your BMR represents the minimum calories your body needs to stay alive. Many people don't realize that BMR accounts for the majority of our daily calorie needs, typically 60 to 70% of total daily energy expenditure. However, BMR isn't a one-size-fits-all number. Factors like age, weight, height, and gender significantly influence your BMR. Younger individuals and those with more muscle mass generally have a higher BMR, meaning they burn more calories at rest. Solution. To calculate your BMR, you can use the Harris-Benedict or Mifflin-Stewart equations, to widely recognized formulas that take into account your individual characteristics. Mifflin-Stewart equation considered slightly more accurate. For men, BMR equals 10 weight in kilogram, plus 6.25 times height in cm, 5 times age plus 5. For women, BMR equals 10 weight in kilogram, plus 6.25 times height in cm, 5 times age minus 161. Harris-Benedict equation, an older, but still popular formula. For men, BMR equals 88.36 to plus 13.39, 7 times weight in kilogram, plus 4.799 height in cm, 5.677 times age. For women, BMR equals 440, 7.593 plus 9.247 times weight in kilogram, plus 3.098 height in cm, 4.330 times age. Calculating your BMR is the first step in determining your total caloric needs, and is crucial for understanding how much energy your body needs just to function. Step 2. Factor in physical activity level (PAL). While BMR represents the baseline, we don't spend our days lying down motionless. Physical activity, whether it's work, exercise, or daily movement, plays a major role in your caloric needs. This is where your physical activity level (PAL) comes in. PAL is a multiplier based on how active you are, from sedentary to highly active, and it adjusts your BMR accordingly. Here's a quick guide on how to use PAL to calculate total daily energy expenditure, TDEE. sedentary, little or no exercise. TDEE equals BMR times 1.2, lightly active light exercise or sports 1 to 3 days a week. TDEE equals BMR times 1.375, moderately active moderate exercise or sports 3 to 5 days a week. TDEE equals BMR times 1.55, very active hard exercise or sport 6 to 7 days a week. TDEE equals BMR times 1.725, extra active very hard exercise, physical job, or training twice a day. TDEE equals BMR times 1.9. The more physically active you are, the more calories you need to support your body's energy demands. Solution: once you know your BMR, multiply it by the appropriate PAL factor based on your activity level. This new number is your total daily energy expenditure to DEE, the number of calories you need to maintain your current weight with your current activity level. Step 3. Setting a caloric goal for weight loss, maintenance, or gain. Now that you know your TDEE, it's time to decide on your caloric goal based on whether you want to lose, maintain, or gain weight. This step is crucial because while your TDEE is the amount of energy your body needs to stay at your current weight, adjusting your caloric intake allows you to control weight loss or gain. For weight loss, to lose weight, create a caloric deficit by consuming fewer calories than your TDEE. A safe and sustainable deficit is typically between 10 to 20% of your TDEE. Reducing calories too drastically can lead to muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, and a slower metabolism. For example, if your TDEE is 2,000 calories, a 20% deficit would mean consuming around 1,600 calories per day. For weight maintenance, to maintain your weight, aim to consume calories close to your TDEE. This will keep you in energy balance, meaning you're neither gaining nor losing weight. For weight gain, if your goal is to build muscle or gain weight, you'll need a caloric surplus eating more than your TDEE. Adding around 10 to 15% of your TDEE is generally recommended for a healthy weight gain. Solution: Decision, a realistic and sustainable caloric goal that aligns with your desired outcome. Tracking this goal can help keep you on course and provide valuable insights into how your body responds to changes in caloric intake. Step 4. Adjusting for lifestyle, metabolism, and other factors. While the calculations above give a solid starting point, individual differences can make actual caloric needs vary from person to person. Your metabolic rate can be influenced by factors like muscular mass. More muscle increases calorie burn, even at rest. Age. BMR decreases with age, so older individuals might need fewer calories. Genetics. Some people naturally have higher or lower metabolic rates due to their genes. Sleep. Poor sleep can slow metabolism and increase cravings, impacting calorie needs. These individual factors mean that your calculated calorie needs may need fine-tuning. Monitoring how your body responds and making adjustments as needed is key to finding your true caloric sweet spot. Solution: keep track of your weight, energy levels, and body composition. If you're not seeing progress toward your goals after a few weeks, consider making small adjustments to your caloric intake or activity level. Step 5. Fueling your body with the right nutrients, not just calories. While knowing your daily caloric needs is essential, the quality of those calories is just as important. A diet full of processed foods can lead to nutrient deficiencies, low energy, and poor health, even if you're sticking to the right calorie amount. On the other hand, a nutrient-dense diet with proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of vitamins and minerals can make a world of difference in how you feel and perform. Protein, essential for muscle repair, metabolism, and satiety. Healthy fats, crucial for hormone balance and energy. Complex carbohydrates, provide sustained energy and support metabolic health. Fiber, aids digestion, keeps you full, and regulates blood sugar. Solution: build a balanced diet based on whole foods that nourish your body. While tracking calories, Ensure you're getting enough of each macronutrient and filling your meals with vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. The secret to sustainable weight management: listening to your body. Understanding how to calculate your daily caloric needs is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to control their weight. However, it's essential to remember that these numbers serve as a guideline, not a strict rule. Bodies are dynamic, responding to stress, sleep, lifestyle changes, and physical activity. As you begin to track and understand your caloric needs, remember to listen to your body. Hunger, energy levels, and mental well-being are all signals that can guide you in fine-tuning your diet for long-term success. By knowing your daily caloric needs, you empower yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions, set realistic goals, and take